Hello, my name is Fernando Rojas Huertas, and this is my classroom project. Welcome to know a magnificent idea created with a lot of love and dedication for my students. TIC. ICT is a didactic tool in the learning of the vocabulary in English. My clue arises from the observation and some experience that I have had in my work as a teacher. Abstract. The pedagogical project entitled ICT is a didactic tool in the learning of the vocabulary in English whose objective is to get students to expand their vocabulary through the development of various manual activities. Objectives general. Strengthen the vocabulary in English through playful strategies that help concentration in class, such as the development of various crafts. General objective of the research. Helpful information and communication technologies in the teaching of English so that students have the possibility of accessing new educational tools and knowledge, thus improving pedagogical practice. Aims. First, use technology as a tool to improve pedagogical practice in the English area. Second, motivate students to fall in love with this language by awakening their interest in it. 3. Expand English vocabulary through teaching strategies using TIC. Methodologies. Take into account the standard proposed by Ministry of the Educational the Classroom project will be development following these parameters. First, adapt the computer room through the didactic applications that will support the development of the English area in 5th grade. Second, develop pedagogical strategies using information and communication technology tools to show how easy it is to manage them. In the development of our pedagogical activities, taking into account being, doing, and knowing how to do. Activities. First, music video will be shown where they develop skills, listening, speaking, and writing. Second, sub of letter will be developed where themes such as nationalities, cultures, and vocabulary in general are implicit. Third, exhibition of main English-speaking countries will be held for them to recognize the importance of this language in the world. And fourth, evidence of the activities will be taken photographs that we help publish in the bulletin board and the blog of each teacher. Thanks.